literally like if you post, even if it's the worst post ever, it's going to get views. Like somebody's going to see it, right? And we're paying for views on all of these other platforms. I've started back up and I've learned, things are definitely not the way that they used to be. Like there's some distinct differences, which we'll get into now. But I would say if you're not on LinkedIn, you absolutely should be. If you're a B2B or a B2G or a B2 nonprofit or a B2EDU, or if your audience is on LinkedIn, you should absolutely be on there. And there's a few ways that we'll talk about to get your organizations posting. Like I think for a B2B, one of the best little hacks, which we're doing here at Web Mechanics to an extent, but get other people within your organization, particularly like the ones that are, more senior level or more well known or just naturally have more connections. Like if you can just simply get a group of your colleagues or your executives posting, even if it's just once a week, it's like massive in terms of awareness.